So now I can mark where the bottom plate's going, and the bottom plate is just a 2x4 that all the individual upright 2x4s attach to. So I want this from this wall to be 4.5 feet. So that way if I do cabinets in here that are maybe two 24-inch cabinets, I'll have a 1/2 inch room on either side to make sure that I'm good with drywall, finishing, and all that stuff. So in order to do that, I'm going to measure off of this drywall, and I'm going to measure, so this is 48.5. That's where I want the finish to be. So I'm going to make my framing start at 49 inches. That way, 1/2 inch for drywall. It should be good. So I'll mark 49 right here. And then I can go to the other side and do the same thing. 49 inches. So now I'm going to take a nail and nail it right on that mark, like that. And then I'm going to take a chalk line and over here and hold it to this mark over here, 49 inches. And then snap it. Now I'm going to use a utility knife with a hooked blade to cut this carpet right on this line. Now I'm just going to fold this carpet out of the way temporarily and put a couple long screws in it just so it stays there so I can work. Now I'm going to cut this pad out about 1 inch past where the other cut is. And then plenty on this side. Okay, and we have subfloor. Now I'm going to cut this tack strip back as well. And then make sure you got all these staples out, any of this pad, clear to put my wall in here. Now I'm going to use that same nail, snap this line again, and remember the wall is going here. A little too much chalk in this, but that's okay. Snap. Okay, we don't need this nail anymore.